I want to do like a suicide mission. We got tanks inbound. Let's keep on them. Whoa! Being shot. Here we go. The last is just these two tanks and our management's done. Final's dead. Yep! Flash gun dead! Are we ready? Whoa! 3, 2, 1, go! Got that. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. It's been quite a long one. I'm gonna hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you all later. Bye!